Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Mahian Jalil. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you how I take my Google account security to the next level. So let's get started. Okay. In mobile you also do it by same path. You have to choose desktop mode. So first we have to go Chrome browser, then we have to type google.com. After that we have to manage your Google account. We have to click on manage your Google account. After that we have to go security. So without any hesitation we have to go second step verification. I have to click on it. I'm already give it, so okay, I'm already turn it on, so I'm just turn it off and again turn it on. I turn it on. Now I'm turn it on. Okay, click, then get started. I have to give my password again. Okay, here you go. Here's your second step verification. Then you have to press continue. This is my mobile. I have to press continue. This is my number. Sorry, this is changed. How can I get code? I chose text message and send. A verification code is sent to my phone number, that is 406505. Click on next. Yeah, you can see second step verification is about to Google promote default and backup option voice or text message. First we have to accept by our phones, that we have to press yes, then it will be login. After that, if we don't have this phone at my hand or not my close, then we have to going to backup option. They will send our verification code voice or text message to our phone number. Then I press turn it on. So now it's turn it on. In this mobile I will found the verification code. Okay, that's it. I want to do something new and better. So many problems we face daily. I want to show you how can we solve those problems easily within a short time. I am trying to give you some tips and tricks about this matter. So if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.